Hello Ego Mappers, welcome to today's tutorial. Today we are going to show you two exciting things that we can do with the details page. Firstly, we're going to show you how to find stakeholder information, and we are going to show you how to add any missing information. So let's get started. So I really like sweets, so I wanted to make a map about confectionery companies around the world. So what I've done here, I've looked at the top 10 confectionery companies in the world, and this is going to be the basis for a new map that I'm currently building. So I'm going to try to find a company here. I'll take Hershey Co, and I will plug that into my map through my stakeholder search, and I can see that it doesn't exist. So I'll go add a new one here. The logo is fine, and I just need to search for the web page, and here it is. So I'm going to go onto the web page quickly, and I will copy the URL, and then I will bring that back over to the map quickly and plug it in the website. Make sure there's no nasty bits on the end there, and create. Okay, so now I'll drag my new stakeholder onto the map, and you can see that already it's picked up all the information that I need. It's picked up the description, the headquarters, the revenue, founding year, and also number of employees and Twitter followers. We can quickly check that year is right, 1984, and we can even see this document here also has the same year, so that has worked perfectly. We quickly save that, and we can head back to the map, and then let's have a look at the next step. Okay, so the more eagle-eyed viewers might have noticed that there's some information missing or a little bit strange here. So what we're able to do, we're actually able to edit this information. We can remove anything that our crawler has done that's strange, and we can see here that the CEO is missing. So if you know the CEO, you're more than welcome to add it. In this case, it is a gentleman called Michael Buck. He's actually the chairman, CEO, and president of the Hershey Company. So we can add that in. We just need to then hit save, and that will be saved into the details page. We can now head back to our map, and just to show that it has saved everything, you can see firstly that that strange numbering has disappeared, and also when we click back on here we can see that Michael Buck is still saved as President, CEO and Chairman. Okay, and that is it for today's details page tutorial. I hope you've been able to learn something and were able to help. If you are looking for any more information, or you'd like some information on something more specific, please just get in touch and we are happy to help you with anything. And until next time, keep on mapping.